Banana and avocados are not only healthy to eat, but they are also great for applying on your skin. Both bananas and avocados are great form for moisturizing dry skin. So try this avocado banana facial to keep your skin looking moisturized and beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saccy back again with another video for you guys. As you guys can see by the title, you already know what I'm about to be doing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I make my face glow naturally. No matter how many products we apply on our skin, there's nothing that can beat natural ingredients. They ensure you get a healthy glow. What I love most is that natural ingredients have no chemicals, and we can pick and choose which one we want to apply. And picking out the right ingredients is extremely important. For the purpose of hydrating your skin, there is practically nothing better than avocado, banana, egg, honey, and olive oil. And these are the recipes I'll be using for this face mask. Applying avocado on your skin can lead to long-term benefits such as reduced fine lines, a delay in signs of aging, protection from the sun, and reduction in acne. If you have not yet done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I make videos about beauty and lifestyle. And like this video and let me know your opinions in the comment section about this facial. Keep watching to see how I make this mask. I only add the yolk into the mask, only the egg yolk into the mask, not everything. And I mix everything together, and after mix everything together, I apply it to my face and I let it sit for about 20 minutes. And I wash it off with warm water. And doing this, avoid using soap because it might strip off your skin of the moisturization. I hope you gain one or two things in this video. Catch you guys later in my next. Bye.
Like it goes